Hi folks, just another wee lock picking video here. This time I'm going to attempt a single pin pick. It's another American lock that I got off eBay. And this one is a 5200 series. It says they're REI F4 and US stamped on it there. This lock has got a fair bit of wear, it's a fair age, but still a nice wee lock and well made. There's your keyway. Just with A stamped on it there. It does come with working key. And it is properly key retaining there. There's sort of bitting on the key there. Stamped 0900H. It is a 5-pinner and it's full of serrated pins on, I think, serrated spools as well. Just going to use top keyway tension. Some of the newer ones of these 5200s have the master lock core in them, which are hard to gut. I think this one has the older core. Just going to start from back to front here. Just work from back to front. As I say, I think this one has the older core with the clip on it, whereas the newer master lock cores that were put into these were crimped on. Pin 1, we click there on pin 5. So there's spools in here as well. We're just in the full set. Full set again. Just picked open, as you can see. Might just try to cut this one while we're here. Make sure I'm getting this the right way around here. Okay. Sorry folks. 5. And that's, you can see that, that's a serrated pin. Pin number 4. It's also serrated. Pin number 3. It's also serrated. Pin number 2 is serrated. And pin number 1. So all the key pins are serrated as per usual. So start here. Driver pins. Pin number 1. Drop that boy out. Oh, there he is there. He's serrated. Pin number 2. If you can see that. Serrated spool. Pin number 3. It's also, sorry, a serrated spool. Pin number 4. Another serrated spool. And the last pin, sorry folks, is just a serrated pin. So in that, you can see those are serrated spools in 2, 3 and 4, and serrated pins in 1 and 5. There you go, that's your Master Lock 5200 series picked and gutted. Thanks for watching folks, and sorry about the length of the video, but all the best and thanks for bearing with me. Take care now, bye bye.